In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off text messages vibration on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings, then tap at General, and then at the very top tap at About. First off, we need to verify that our iPhone is running iOS 17 or later, because in the iOS 17 there have been some changes and now the option to disable vibration has been moved to another section. So guys, if your iPhone running iOS 16 or maybe later version, you need to go back to General, then Software Update, and then first of all you need to update your device to the latest iOS by clicking at this button. And then once it is done, head over to Settings and then tap at Sounds and Haptics. Down below here we can easily find text tone. We need to get into it first. Here we can choose a tone for our text messages alert. However, if you want to set up the vibration, you need to get into haptics at the very top. Here, by default, synchronized vibration pattern is selected. It means that vibration pattern is now depends on which text tone we selected. We can select different vibration pattern from that list. We can create a custom one. However, if you just want to stop getting vibration when you receive text messages, you need just to select None here to turn off the vibration for text messages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.